Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today our group will present a case study titled 1MDB Scandal, Integrity and Leadership Failure. I would like to introduce my group members, Arif Hafizi bin Azman, Muhammad Firdaus bin Barjan, and myself, Muhammad Fikri bin Mazlan. In this presentation, we will discuss 1MDB as a real case study related to integrity, leadership failure, possible corruption, and misuse of public funds. Next. Before we explain the case, we would like to show that 1MDB is a real case reported by trusted sources such as the US Department of Justice and Reuters. The 1MDB case involved the misuse of public money along with issues linked to corruption, money laundering across countries, and weak leadership. Based on these sources, more than 4.5 billion US dollar in 1MDB funds were believed to be misused between 2009 and 2015. That is why we choose this case. It is not only a financial issue, but also an integrity and leadership issue because public money and public trust were involved. Next. 1MDB stands for One Malaysia Development Berhad. It was a government-linked investment fund established in 2009. The original purpose of 1MDB was to support Malaysia's economic development by attracting investment and bringing benefits to the country. However, the problem started when the fund became linked to poor management, possible misuse of public money, and international money laundering investigations. As we can see from the image, the case involved many connections and financial movements, which makes the situation more complex. As we can see from the diagram, the case involved very large amount of money, from millions to billions of US dollars. The money was moved through several accounts and different parties, sometimes more than once, which made it difficult to track. These large amounts show that this was a serious issue involving a huge amount of public funds. This also shows that the process was not simple and happened in several steps. Because of this, we can clearly see how the scandal developed step by step. That's all from me from the background part. I will now pass to Arif to continue with how the scandal happened.
Okay, thank you to Fikri. Okay, so for this case, how this case happened? This case happened when billions of dollars were raised through bond and investment deals. However, part of the money was illegally siphoned through offshore account and shell companies. This means the money flow was not simple. It involved international transaction, foreign bank account, and companies create to hide the movement of funds. Because of this, the case become an intentional money laundering investigation. This case important because it shows the weak financial control and weak governance and create opportunities for public fund to misuse. Okay, next slide. Uh, Next slide, I will explain who are the key people and parties involved in this case. Okay? There were several key people and parties involved in this case. First, uh, first is YNDB itself, which means the government linked investment fund. Second is Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak, the former Prime Minister of Malaysia for that year. Third is Jolo, a businessman who was linked to the movement of fund. Next is Malaysia government. Malaysia government responsible for overseeing the fund and ensuring transparency and accountability, and they will approve the transaction. Last but not least is financial institution were also involved because the money moves through international transaction. And the most of stakeholders were Malaysian citizens. Even though ordinary citizens were not directly involved, they were affected because public trust, national reputation, and public fund were involved. Okay, like I will tell you about the main integrity issue. The main integrity issue in this case is leadership failure. Okay, leadership power was not balanced with proper accountability and oversight. When leaders have power but lack of transparency and responsible, it creates room for misconduct. In this case, there were issues of weak transparency, conflict of interest, and abuse of trust. Public funds should be protected for the benefit of the people. However, when integrity is weak, leadership can be misused for personal or political interests. Okay. Next slide, I will explain about key concept in this problem. Okay. Just it show in the slide. This case can be connected to the key concept, which is power plus opportunity minus to integrity equals corruption. In the MDB case, power refers to the authority over major financial decisions, such as like Prime Minister, something else. Second, opportunity refers to weak control, weak monitoring, and complex financial system. Lack of integrity refers to personal interest being placed above public duty. Alright, when these elements happen together, the result can be abuse of power, corruption, and loss of public trust. This concept helps us understand why integrity is very important in leadership. And when the leadership gone, it will, uh, and when the leadership gone, this will affect the government and the country. Okay, next slide, I will pass to Mr. Fidaus.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Arif. Okay, Mr. Arif, I will continue for this slide. Okay, for the slide, we talk regarding about the impact on society. First, YNDB secondary serious issue on society impact. Why I say for this? Okay, first, when the YNDB got no trust, no everything, because due to the scandal everything, first it become a damage for the public trust. Public trust in leader and institution. That means the public trust for the Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak. But due to the case by MDB, the trust already gone because it's involved with the money and citizen feel disappointed because the money is not used for them but for other things. Second is citizen disappointment. Okay, when the money is not used for the benefit of the society, the money go to their money pocket or go to another party that have related to them. So it's become the corruption, and it's not only the legal issue but also the it's not been have been used for the benefit in such as education, healthcare, infrastructure, and public welfare. That's why the citizen is disappointed for this thing. Okay, the third thing, what becomes the impact of the society is the increase of awareness. Okay, when the public aware about the corruption, people become what we call become things is the corruption is not only the legal issue but also the social issue that can affect everyone. Okay, next for this thing we talk regarding about the impact of the nation. Previous slide we talk about the impact of the society. Now we talk about the impact of the nation. At the nation level, the YNDB scandal affect Malaysia international reputation. Okay, this case trigger investigation of the several country, which show as the issue is not only the local but also the global. It also expose the weakness in the government and financial control. Because this case, there's more pressure for the stronger anti-corruption enforce, better governance, and international corruption as international corruption in asset recovery. This show when the integrity fall, like Mr. Arif already talked, fail for the high level, the whole country can be affected. Okay, on the left side, you can see the one of the US Department of Justice. So, Justice Department retrieved 1.4 billion misfortune and 1 NDB fund to Malaysia. Okay, next slide, we talk about the self-reflection. This is the last slide. Okay. Everyone on the class, everything. Okay, first we must know the integrity become three. We talk about the three things: integrity everywhere, become accountable, and reject wrongdoing. Okay, as our my team and I, okay, we all the part-time student and also we are working. This case give us an important lesson. First, the integrity is not important for the leaders and also the politician. Is also important in our studies, workplace, and daily life. Okay. We must be honest and comfortable and responsibility in everything what we do. For example, at work, we must avoid the for the shortcut way and the false claim. Normally got issue for the false claim. We know about the how claim and misuse the company property, conflict of interest. Okay, in our study, we must be honest and assignment, and also for the very work group. Okay, the main lesson for one NDB is the power without integrity can cause the serious serious damage. Therefore, we must practice the integrity when no one is watching. We must learn everything must be got integrity. We must know what we do have some power and the upside will see us what we do. Okay. In conclusion, for our 1MDB scandal show that integrity and leadership must go together. Strong leadership is not only about the power, it's also about the honesty, accountability, transparency, and also responsibility. That's all for our presentation. Thank you, madam.